The benefits of single sourcing are: Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm here with another video, that is, what is single sourcing and its principle. Single sourcing is also called as multi-channel publishing. It means write once and publish everywhere. Here, the technical writer writes a piece of content or information and publishes into multiple outputs into multiple formats. I can say the benefits of single sourcing are cost effectiveness and reusability. There are mainly 5 principles in single sourcing. They are DRY. DRY stands for Don't Repeat Yourself. This means a technical writer, once he or she writes a content, it should be written in such a way that it should be used whenever required. Do not try to write down the same piece of information into different places. This may create flaws while writing the same information into different locations. So, always try to reuse the content into different locations so that the consistency is maintained. The next principle is KISS. It's not that KISS what you're thinking. In technical writing, KISS stands for Keep It Simple and Straightforward. The main motto or the goal of a technical writer is the technical writer should write the information in a very clear and concise manner so that the end user can understand this information very easily. Here, the KISS means a technical writer should simplify the information so that the end user can easily understand. The third one is the principle of least knowledge. The technical writer should create a content or information in such a way that there should be no dependencies. If there are a lot of cross links or dependent information, then it will not serve the purpose of reusability, because when you reuse, you need to get back all those dependent information in it, and it creates a difficult process. The fourth principle is the single responsibility principle. Here, the technical writer should keep in mind before writing the information that the information should contain only a single task or a single operation. If the technical writer clubs the information, then it cannot be reused. Always remember, information should have only one task and focus on only one operation. Always remember that one topic should have only one responsibility. The fifth principle is abstract and generalization. A technical writer should write the information in a generic way so that this piece of information can be reused at multiple locations of the documents and also in multiple documents. If the piece of information is written specifically, then this information cannot be used across different documents and also into different places of the documents. So always try to create a generic information or try to write a generic topic. So here comes the end of the principles of single sourcing. I would like to explain some of the benefits of single sourcing. Suppose one wants to change the appearance of the document like header, footer or CSS, then it can be changed in one source and that can be applied to multiple locations so that changes will be replicated in all the different locations. So this makes the process easier and also time saving. Once we reuse the content in different location, the same content is published so that the consistency is maintained across the documents. We can easily format the content that is appropriate to various output formats or output types. If you like the content, please subscribe to our channel Contents Dynamics and show your support. Thank you. Hope you like the content. Please show your support by subscribing to our channel and please hit bell icon to get notifications.